postponing a trek for quite some time now, and staying in a city like Mumbai, I never even realized what I was missing. But today, as I am here at Logar, 120 kilometers away from the fast-moving city life, the greenery and serenity of this place already makes me feel guilty of what I've been staying away from. When the weekend beckons, no adventure lover can cool their feet at home. As for me, I decided to rough it out along with an adventure travel crew to conquer a fortress. And with that resolve in mind, I set off for Logar. Along the way, I soaked in the magic that had already been unleashed by the monsoons. The countryside, the hills, and the waterfalls all seemed to pave the way for what lay ahead. And as I reached the starting point of my trek, I was awestruck. Great things happen when men and mountains meet, and we are actually seeing that happen right here at Logar. Amidst the spectacular view, we finally started the trek. 10 kilometers ahead of Lonavala, the Logar fort was once in the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji, and it has a history of 2000 years preceding it. It's an idyllic start with the rain and the cool breeze setting the mood. But soon the group realizes that their ascent is as high as 3,400 feet above sea level. And for one who is not a regular trekker, it certainly is not a cakewalk. Very soon, even I was gasping for breath. Rain, good weather and sweat don't really go hand in hand. But it is said that great things happen when men and mountains meet. And we are actually seeing that happen right here at Logar. With no looking back, we keep going strong. Be it rain, walking through a waterfall, or climbing the tortuous steps right till the end. And at times like these, little tea shops on the way are the life saviors.
Please don't litter the place. There is enough garbage here. And I would really appreciate if the media could do something about putting up some dustbins over here. That's very important. And yes, if people are coming here to trek, then they should keep alcohol away and try and get high on nature.
And after a refreshing tea break, we hit the mountain once again. For our instructor, treks such as these are also a mode to spread awareness for the environment. And as we climb higher, the historical relevance of the place begins to shine through. The climb to the fort meanders through panoramic vantage points, huge balconies and ancient doors that literally take you back in time. And right at the top, amidst the thick fog, we chance upon a temple, a dargah, and lots of serenity. And it was in this moment of tranquility that I realized that the effort was totally worth it. By too much work pressure, maybe you just need to stand here, scream, and vent out all your frustrations. It might just turn out to be the best cure for all your problems. Well, that surely felt great. And now with all the angst released, the gang began their downward journey. And though everyone was totally drained out, this experience left them wanting for more. In trekking jargon, this trek would qualify as easy. But for beginners like me, it was definitely a learning experience. So various lessons in the heart, we began to descend with a promise to return. Simrata Singh, NewsX, Logar.